General Motors has issued a recall for certain 2023 Cadillac Lyriq models due to a flaw in the vehicle's display screen. With the Lyriq, Cadillac quickly completed its first recall campaign. Following an infotainment issue, the American luxury brand will temporarily halt delivery of the all-electric crossover and will urge those already on the road to return to the showroom. Lovely viewers, you are on Lyriq Media, where information is key and accuracy is the drive to keep you abreast of the latest information and trending news regarding the EV Lyriq Cadillac and other future EVs from the Cadillac company. So, if you're an enthusiast or owner of these electric vehicles, there is a spot for you here on this channel. We function as a family. We listen to your feedback in the comment section and make all of the required videos with the knowledge you need to stay current in the EV industry. If you're new here, please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. Thank you. In today's video, we will explore the recent problem faced by GM's brand Cadillac with the Cadillac Lyriq variants, which caused the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq recall for display screen issue. Stay with me till the end as we explore this and understand. It isn't time to start castigating this company. We understand you all are eager to receive deliveries of this incumbent SUV in your garage. But I bet you won't like having issues with your variant as soon as you receive them. So let's be patient and allow the company to deliver the best of the product. The display screen issue is fixable. Following a complaint of a blank screen at the Lyriq assembly facility on August 3, the manufacturer launched an inquiry on August 19. When the carmaker investigated the issue, it discovered 16 field incident reports connected to a blank infotainment screen. Naturally, because many of the EV's functions are managed through the infotainment screen, this is a concern for drivers. More specifically, a blank screen cannot display the backup camera, indicating that the car does not comply with US standards demanding the function. Following an examination, Cadillac revealed that the problem is caused by a flaw that may be triggered by attempting to enter or exit the car. When the car is turned off and in park, the Lyriq may occasionally conduct a boot-up shutdown cycle, which can be prevented by opening the door. The screen can go blank if it is interrupted within a 5-second interval. Cadillac asks any dissatisfied Lyriq owners, have you tried turning it off and on again? Because it usually solves the problem. Of course, it is only a temporary remedy, and Cadillac has discovered a more permanent solution that will be implemented via a software update. The upgrade fixes the software fault that caused this circumstance, and owners of the 186 Cadillac Lyriqs affected by the recall will begin receiving notifications on November 7. Meanwhile, vehicles kept at GM's production facility will be upgraded before being given to their new owners. We have come to the end of today's video. Share with us your thoughts in the comments section. Stay tuned to Lyriq Media for all the latest Cadillac Lyriq news, and as we keep you updated on the development of this story. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to let the YouTube universe know that this video is helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.